What is going on, everybody? Tuned Up Ty back at it again with another fucking video. And right now we're in a different location as always. I try to switch up the locations, but we got a new exterior mod for you guys today and some more carbon fiber. I don't know if you guys peeked from the last video. I might have mentioned it, I might have not mentioned it, but we're gonna be adding some new additions to our front bumper right here. And I don't know if I had mentioned it in the last video, but I did want to get some new shots of the carbon fiber we added from the last ones. So here's your mirrors. They look fucking phenomenal in the sunlight. Fucking great. I absolutely love these shits. Oh yeah, and for the front splitter, here's some more shots up close. I really do love these, man. It's my other carbon fiber mirror with the smoke out signal. But yeah, that is not the point of the vid today. We're not doing that. We actually are adding some more carbon fiber to the front. Like I mentioned, we're going to be adding some carbon fiber fangs that I had received from Inline 6 Auto. I'll provide a link in the description below, but these look fucking amazing, man. Real fucking amazing. This is real carbon fiber, by the way. Yeah, I purchased it from Inline 6 Auto. I got it within like a week or so, I believe, from placing it. But yeah, these look fucking great, man. We're gonna be placing them right here. If you don't know what these are, these go right there. Yep. So it's gonna be a pretty quick install today. Only thing is, before we even place this on, I do want to make sure that I use my glue gun that's over there, and with our microfiber cloth, we're gonna try and remove as much like dirt and debris and shit as that's possibly on the bumper right now before we apply this, because we want to have a nice finish. So what we're gonna do is gonna leave you guys right here, and we're gonna apply a nice layer of the glue gun to get any debris off. This is the product that we're using today. I got it from AutoZone and it's pretty nice. I like it. It smells pretty good too. So you're gonna get your carbon fiber, not your carbon fiber, your microfiber cloth. And the reason why you want a microfiber cloth, because you don't want to leave swirls or be harsh on your paint. So I use microfiber whenever I'm doing anything related with my paint. So I don't need the whole thing, so I'm just gonna leave a little portion, dab it up. All right, now we got some right there. Just gently apply it. I'm not using a crazy amount on the rag because it is pretty it's not thick, but it's not as smooth, if that makes sense. So just one little coat would do good. And then once you applied it evenly, you're gonna use another microfiber. In this case, I'm just flipping around to the dry side and just dry it up. Make sure all the liquid is nice and dry. All right, so I have another one here. I'm just gonna use it to dry it up, and that soaked it up pretty well. Nice and clean surface. Now to apply the adhesive. Same thing over here. Just wanna dry it up, nice and soaked in, and boom. And I'm gonna do this side first. I did apply some 3M tape, but what you want to do is get some any 3M tape. This one came from Inline 6 automatically, so I didn't have to go buy some. But in case it doesn't, you can always just get this from your AutoZone. It's some simple double-sided 3M tape, and I'm just gonna tear off the corner over there so it doesn't stick out. I want it to be a nice and even finish all around. Can't have no red sticking out on our carbon fiber. So what I'm gonna do, just peel back a piece a little bit and just snip it off. Boom, just like that. All right, so we got this side nice and evenly taken off with all the adhesive backing. It was a little pain, I'm not gonna lie, but once you got that all dried up and peeled off, just nicely and slowly apply it on. That's the carbon fiber Fangs installation. Let me back you guys up so you can get the full view. That's what it looks like from the front. It looks pretty nice. Looks pretty good. My only thing is, I don't really like the fitment when it comes to the front, right there. Maybe I had to add some more tape, I'm not sure. Make it more flush. But aside from that, it looks really more mean, more aggressive, if that makes sense. Really like that look right there on the side. I feel like it complements the splitter a lot more. Definitely does. Definitely. But yeah, y'all, that's my installation right now for my 335 on my carbon fiber Fangs. If you guys want to buy these and install these yourself as well, I'll leave these down below in the description. It's only, I think, 200-ish. Wasn't too bad for real carbon fiber. That's a fucking great price. Yeah, so if you guys want to if you guys want to cop that, down below, it will be there ready for you guys. I'll also include some 3M tape that you guys should use for this installation, and some of the glue gun as well to help you apply it onto the bumper. But aside from that, y'all, tuned up Ty out.